Hello YouTubers, all you people that are trying to figure a way to make a mask for the coronavirus. This is a cell phone holder. It mounts on here. You put your phone in there and you could put it around your neck and watch your phone freehand. But I was sitting watching TV this morning. I noticed this was sitting on the floor and I thought, wouldn't this make a great face mask holder? So you would not have to deal with adjusting the bands and the helmets and all that. You just take this, put it around your neck, get a piece of plastic, get a sharp knife, which this one's not very sharp. Sharpen a little bit. And you could take this guy and just guesstimation, put a hole somewhere in the center. I guess what would be best is if you had a means to hold this on there without having to make a hole in the plastic. That pops on there pretty good. You could make some type of a bracket to hold it right here like that would be good. Or Velcro, I thought of Velcro, good idea. There you go. Put that like that, and there you have a perfectly good safety mask where you bend over, you can bend up. It's cheap. This is $2. This is, I don't know, 50 cents. What do you think? Good idea?